Sainam, dear children, wish you a very good morning, and I hope all of you enjoyed your holidays very much. And please be safe and stay at home. Okay, so today we are going to start our new chapter, sharing our feelings. Means the feelings that we share with our family or friends. Okay, so this chapter is about our feelings. Okay, so before we start, let's do prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes and start chanting Om. Sayana. Let's start the chapter. I am Seema. Okay, this girl is saying that her name is Seema. I am studying in third standard. Means Seema studies in third standard. Okay, means she is of your age. After returning home from school, there are two people with whom I like to share all my news. Okay, when she came back to home after school, she shared all his feelings, all his daily routine with two people, and they enjoys listening to my tales, and those two people enjoys to listen Seema's all stories. The first person is my nanny, means Seema's nanny, and she is always anxious to listen me. Means Seema's nanny always wait when Seema will come from school and she will tell her stories. Okay, she is quite old and often has back pains. Okay, Seema's nanny is old and have back pains. She cannot see or hear well. Okay, she is not able to see properly and hear properly because she is old. So due to old age factor, she can't hear and see properly. Every day in morning, Papa reads newspaper aloud to her, and daily Seema's father read loudly newspaper for Seema's granny. Okay, granny means nani. She does the rest of work herself, and rest of the work for her she will do herself. Means nani अपना सारा काम खुद करती है बाकी. If someone tries to help her, she gets very upset, and if someone tries to help nani, then nani get upset. Though she can't see properly, she is very fond of cutting vegetable. Although she can't see, then also she love to cut vegetables. She says these days children don't know how to cut vegetable properly, and nani thinks that today's generation don't know how to cut vegetable. Okay, so she always cuts the vegetable. And the second person with whom Seema shares her feelings is Ravi Bhaiya. Okay, and Ravi Bhaiya lives with them, and she called him Ravi Bhaiya, and Ravi Bhaiya calls her parents Bhaiya and Bhabhi. Okay, I don't know what our relationship is, and Seema don't know that who is Ravi Bhaiya, but she call him Bhaiya, but he is very loving. Okay, he is always ready to answer my question, and Ravi Bhaiya always ready to answer Seema's question, and he never says I will tell you later, and he never says कि बाद में बताता हूँ. Okay, so Ravi Bhaiya is Seema's friend and Bhaiya. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a school college, and the student of the college respect him a lot. Okay, Ravi Bhaiya is a college lecturer, and his student respect him a lot. Ravi Bhaiya is fond of listening to music and taking part in plays, and Ravi Bhaiya like listening music and taking parts in play, means acting. He loves to act. He enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them, and he always chat with their friends and go out with his friends. Okay, and he has a good sense of humor and make all of us laugh, and he cracks jokes all the time and make everyone laugh nearby him. Think and tell who all are there in your family. Okay, and now this is time when you have to tell who how many members are there in your family and who are they. Tell some speciality about everyone. Okay, so like your father, what is the speciality of your father, your mother, your grandmother, grandfather, your brother, sister, whoever there is in your family, you have to tell their speciality, one speciality. Okay, let's talk about Sima's brother. Bhaiya carries a white stick when he goes out. Okay, like we have seen in this picture, we can suppose or we can have an idea by seeing this picture that Ravi Bhaiya is blind, because he is wearing a black goggle and having a stick, and his book is of Braille script. Okay, Braille script, the script which is used by blind people for study. Okay, let's see what the chapter tell about Ravi Bhaiya. Okay, so भैया हमेशा क्या करते हैं, एक Ravi Bhaiya, how he moves in the house, no one can say that Ravi Bhaiya is blind, he can't see. Okay, he likes to do all his work himself, and Ravi Bhaiya do all his work himself. If someone try to help against him his wish, he gets angry, and without his permission, if someone try to help him, देन रवि भैया गेट एंग्री. मीन्स वो अपना हर काम अपने आप करते हैं, अगर कोई ज़बरदस्ती उनकी हेल्प करता है तो उनको बुरा लगता है, गुस्सा आता है. वेन एवर ही नीड्स हेल्प ही आस्क फॉर इट, एंड जब उन्हें हेल्प चाहिए होती है तो वो क्या करते हैं, बोल देते हैं. सम ऑफ भैया स्टूडेंट्स टेक बुक्स फ्रॉम हिम एंड रिटर्न देम आफ्टर रिकॉर्डिंग देम ऑन टेप्स. ओके, भैया स्टूडेंट्स डू वन थिंग, दे टुक बुक्स फ्रॉम भैया. ओके, एंड रिकॉर्ड देम ऑन टेप्स. मीन्स उसकी वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग करके, और वो टेप्स किसको दे देते हैं, भैया को दे देते हैं. तो रवि भैया उन टेप्स को सुनते हैं और इस तरीके से रवि भैया सारी बुक्स पढ़ लेते हैं. भैया हैज़ मैनी अदर बुक्स टू. द पेजेस ऑफ दिस बुक्स आर थिक एंड हैव रोज ऑन द रेज्ड पॉइंट्स. ओके, लेकिन भैया के पास कुछ बुक कैसी है, ऐसी बुक्स है जिसके पेज बहुत मोटे मोटे हैं, जिनमें डॉट्स बने हुए हैं, जिन्हें क्या बोलते हैं, ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट बुक्स बोलते हैं. मीन्स ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट क्या होती है, ऑन थिक पेजेस देर आर सम डॉट्स इंस्क्रिप्टेड. ओके, inscribed dots. Okay, when you touch that dot na, you will feel that letter, that here is A alphabet is written, B alphabet is written, like that. Books are inscribed, and these books are called braille script books. Okay, so Ravi Bhaiya, how do Ravi Bhaiya read this book? Ravi Bhaiya read this book by running his fingers on the raised dots. To have fun with Bhaiya, I sometimes change the places of his sticks. And to have fun with Bhaiya, what Sima do? She always hide his sticks or change the place of his stick. He does get upset but never get angry. वो थोड़े उदास हो जाते हैं पर कभी गुस्सा नहीं होते सीमा पे. After all, I am his favorite sister Sima. Because Sima कौन है? His favorite sister. I had hardly reached the door that Bhaiya spoke up. Sima, you seem to be very happy today. Means whenever Sima coming back from school, as she reached the door, Bhaiya spoke up. Sima, you seem to be very happy today. कि आज तुम बहुत खुश लग रही हो. मीन्स कि उसके घर में आने से पहले भैया को पता चल जाता है. भैया recognizes not only me but all other family members from the sound we make us as we move. Okay, how Bhaiya recognize that they are happy or sad? By their movement, by the movement of their steps. Okay, as they move, the steps movement, as they are happy or sad. Okay, he can even tell whether I am happy or sad, or Ravi Bhaiya easily tell that Seema is happy or sad. Bhaiya, finally I am in the football team. Now Seema is sharing her feeling or her good news with Bhaiya that she is selected in football team, and he petted me and said lovingly. And what Bhaiya did, Bhaiya praised her, और उसकी पीठ सब तपाते हुए भैया कहते हैं from today you are my football coach. And भैया कहते हैं that from today Seema will teach him football. Okay, she will be his football coach. Okay children, now think and write. Seema's father read the newspaper someone will be there in your family who is old, okay, or someone outside your family who is old, how you will help them, okay, or how do you help them before, okay. पहले आपने कभी किसी बुजुर्ग की हेल्प की हो, या फिर आप अपने घर में कैसे अपने बड़ों की, बुजुर्गों की हेल्प करते हैं, ये आपको बताना है. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम डू पीपल हैव in their old age, like they can't see properly, they can't hear properly, sometimes they can't walk properly, they need stick to walk, okay. These kind of problems people have in their old age. Even they have problem in eating hard stuffs, okay. Their teeth becomes weak, okay, that's why they can't eat the hard stuff, they need soft chewable things, okay. How does Ravi Bhaiya come to know so many things without seeing? Ravi Bhaiya can sense because he can't see properly, but his all other sense works properly, and by using his other 5 sense, okay, 4 sense of touch, hear, okay, smell, and we have 5 sense. That one is our eyes, second one is our nose, फिर tongue for taste, okay, and skin for touch, okay, and Ravi Bhaiya can't see, but he can smell everything, but he can listen everything, okay, and he can taste everything. So in this way, and Ravi Bhaiya can feel everything, okay. His mind is sharp, so he can sense everything without seeing. However, how you ever needed a stick? When? Have you ever needed a stick? क्या आपको कभी स्टिक की जरूरत पड़ी है तो कब? Can you think when you may need a stick? And can you think when you may need a stick? Means कि आप सोच सकते हैं कि आपको कभी स्टिक की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. How do we help those people who cannot see, and how can we help the blind peoples? So we have to answer this question, and all the answer of these questions I will tell you in the PDF. So recollect and tell. Is there any member in your family who cannot speak, who cannot see, or who cannot hear? Okay, do you know any such person? How do other people help them with their work, and how we and other people can help them, okay. You read in this story that Ravi Bhaiya cannot see, but he does all his work on his own, okay. हमने पढ़ा कि रवि भैया देख नहीं सकते, लेकिन वो अपना काम खुद करते हैं. He studies from a different kind of books to understand how he is able to do his work. Close your eyes and play this game, okay. To understand the feeling of Ravi Bhaiya, that how he is living, you have to close your eyes and do all the work. Then you will come to know that how blind people feels. So next point is blindfold. Blindfold any one child in the group. One by one the other children come to him or her quietly. The child who is blindfolded has to guess who the other child is by touching him or her. Take care not to make any sound, okay. Blindfold is a game in which उसकी आंखों पे हम पट्टी बांध देंगे. देन one by one each and every children came to him, and by touching him or her, the person who is blindfolded means जिस बच्चे की आंख पे पट्टी बंधी है वो क्या करेगा, by touching other one उसे बताना है कि ये कौन है. But take care, don't make any noise in this game. In the same way, one by one blindfold all other children. और इसी तरीके से सब बच्चों की आंख पे पट्टी बांधनी है और सब बच्चे एक दूसरे को नेम गेस करेंगे, ओके. डिस्कस एंड टेल. हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रन कुड रिकॉग्नाइज द अदर्स बाय टचिंग. सो आफ्टर प्लेइंग दिस गेम आपको क्या बताना है कि कितने बच्चे जो है एक दूसरे का नाम बता पाते हैं विदाउट ओपनिंग देयर आईज और ओनली बाय टचिंग देयर हैंड. हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रन कुड रिकॉग्नाइज द अदर चिल्ड्रन बाय ओनली हेयरिंग देम. और कितने चिल्ड्रन जो है जो सिर्फ आवाज़ सुन के उन्हें पहचान लेते हैं. Which was easier of these two? Okay, by hearing one's by hearing is the easier way instead of touching, because by hearing we can recognize the voice of the person and we can easily guess who is there. Okay, आवाज़ सुन के हमें बहुत easily पता चल जाता है कि सामने कौन है. थिंक एंड टेल, हाउ मैनी टीथ आर देयर इन योर माउथ. ओके, आपके मुंह में कितने दांत है बताने. विच स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास हैव द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टीथ, और क्लास में सबसे ज़्यादा दांत किसके मुंह में है. हाउ मैनी थिंग्स कैन यू रिकॉग्नाइज बाय ओनली टचिंग, किन किन चीज़ों को आप सिर्फ छू के पहचान सकते हैं. विच पीपल कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई फ्रॉम द साउंड दे मेक अस एज दे मूव. ओके, कौन से लोगों को उनके चलने की आवाज़ से आप पहचान सकते हो. जस्ट बाय स्पेलिंग कैन यू गेस इफ समवन इज क्लोज टू यू, और किन किन लोगों को आप सिर्फ उनकी खुशबू से पहचान सकते हो विदाउट सीइंग देम. ओके, क्लोज योर आइज एंड लिसन व्हाट साउंड कैन यू हियर. ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, क्लोज योर आइज एंड लिसन कि आपको क्या सुनाई दे रहा है. मे बी देर इज अ साउंड ऑफ फैन, मूविंग रोटेशन ऑफ फैन. Maybe there is a sound of people running outside on the road. Maybe there is a sound of a person roaming in your house. There is special way of reading and writing for people who can't see. Okay, it is called braille. Braille is a script which is written on a thick paper making a row of raised point. means डॉट डॉट से क्या होता है, उसमें सारे शब्द लिखे होते हैं और वो क्या होती है, ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट होती है. ब्रेल इज रीड बाय रनिंग द फिंगर्स ऑन द रेस्ड डॉट, और उन डॉट्स पे हमें क्या करना है, अपने फिंगर्स को घुमाना है. तो उन डॉट्स से हम क्या बनाएंगे, अल्फ़ाबेट बना लेंगे. मीन्स वो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल वे में डॉट्स निकाल के हर वर्ड लिखा होता है. लाइक इन आवर बुक ऑल वर्ड्स आर प्रिंटेड एंड सेम एज इन द ब्रेल बुक दीज वर्ड्स आर रेज्ड बाय डॉट्स. मीन्स डॉट से ऊपर उठाए गए होते हैं जिनको टच करके हम फील करते हैं कि ये कौन सा वर्ड बन रहा है. लेट्स डू वेदर इट इज़ ईजी और डिफ़िकल्ट टू रिकॉग्नाइज ए शेप विदाउट सीइंग. अब आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक पेज लेना है, उस पर आपको कुछ लिखना है, फिर उस पेज को आपको क्या करना है, उल्टा घुमा देना है, और जो लिखा हुआ है उसके पीछे से डॉट्स करना है. ठीक है, ताकि आगे के साइड जो पेज है उसके ऊपर वो डॉट्स उभर के बाहर आ जाए. फिर उसको आइज़ क्लोज करके टच करके पढ़ के देखना है कि क्या ये टास्क जो है ब्लाइंड पीपल के लिए ईजी है या नहीं है. सो do this activity at home and almost our chapter is completed about Braille script. लुइस ब्रेल जो कि फ्रांस के थे, उन्होंने क्या किया था, जब वो 3 साल के थे वो अपने पापा के साथ खेल रहे थे. चली गई थी. मीन्स एक तीखी चीज़ उनकी आंख में लगी थी और उनकी आंखों की रोशनी चली गई थी. ही केप्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ डिफरेंट वेज टू रीड एंड राइट, और उस वक्त वो क्या सोचते थे कि मैं कैसे पढ़ूँ, कैसे लिखूँ. फाइनली फाउंड ए वे रीडिंग बाय टचिंग एंड फीलिंग. नाउ व्हाट ही डिड, he find a way that he can touch and feel and he can read in this way. So this way reading later came to be known as Braille script. और ये जो रीडिंग स्क्रिप्ट लुइस ब्रेल ने बनाई थी और सोची थी, उसका नाम उनके नाम पे ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट रख दिया गया. सो दिस इज अवर पेपर, दिस इज अवर चैप्टर. सो और ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट के कंप्यूटर्स भी आते हैं जिसके कीबोर्ड पे ब्रेल स्क्रिप्ट होती है, जिसकी वजह से वो लोग टाइपिंग इजीली कर पाते हैं जो लोग ब्लाइंड हैं. सो इज इन दिस वे रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, रीडिंग एंड study is easy for the blind people. So our chapter is completed and exercise PDF I will send you later, and please watch the video 2 to 3 times to understand the chapter. And about question answer, if you have any query you can ask me anytime. Okay, bye, take care, sign on.